Hello everyone, and then welcome to this lesson on Google Sheets. So in this particular lesson, we want to be able to um, freeze certain cells, okay? Just so it makes things easier for us to visualize things well. So to do that, I can click this, okay? Then I'll go towards View, and I'll go to Freeze, okay? So remember our row is what 5. So when I go to Freeze, I'm going to select row 5. Okay. And you can see now it's frozen these um, columns. Okay. This is effective or very good. Just say if you have a tall list of values here, okay, and then you don't want to be going up and down like so. Let me can just basically undo. Okay, basically undo. Okay, so now what if I have a tall list? Then I'm scrolling, everything is going. So I'm going to see the values, but I might not know what the header is. Okay, so I don't know. So let's see if there's a name here. Okay, and someone looks at my sheet when I scroll, the person might not know what this particular thing is, because there's no header. Okay, so in order to for us to like always have the headers in place, we just have to click the desired row and then we'll go to view and then we'll just freeze it. Okay, then it's frozen. So if I also have a title here, I can click on this title and then go to view and then go to freeze. Okay, so this title is what at row 2. So I'll just click on sorry row 2 and then that's it. So it's frozen. Okay, and I can freeze this guy too. So basically that's it for the freezing. Okay, now these are inserted colors. Okay, because we wanted to do something with sorting and then filtering. Okay, but we'll do that in the next lesson. So let's see, we want to do something. So you can see here all the grid lines are vanished. Okay, and then gives us a clean view. Okay, we converted ourselves to a table. So to do that, all we have to do is to you can click here, hold shift and then click here. Okay, then I'll convert this into a table. So once this is selected, all I have to do is to go to format and I'll go towards converted table. So you can see now it looks nice. Wow, like it looks nice. Okay, and then you can give your table a title. So let's see, primary. So we can add filters, okay, which we'll learn in the next lesson. But we want to hide the grades, okay. So to hide the grades, what we'll do is we can do that while we have table, but I don't want us to do that in this particular lesson. So I'm going to undo what we have here. So we look at another option. So once this is selected, all I can do is to go to view, click on show, and then click on grid lines. Okay. So all our grid lines are vanished. Let me unfreeze this because I want to do something. So I'm going to view, and then it's still frozen. Okay. So let me just click here, then click here. And then we can come to the border here. Okay, so borders, which is this. Okay, click here. We can give them a border, so we can give them some lines. Okay, so this is what we want. Then we can just click this, hold shift, and then click this. Then we can convert to table. So you go to format and then click on convert to table. And this is what we have. You can always add a column here. You can give your column another name. Mm. If you still there's a problem, you can do that. Okay. If you still want to get some lines, you just highlight this, then you go to border key, and then you can give them a border line. Okay. So that's it. So that's it. And for this lesson, in the next lesson, we'll learn about sorting and filtering. Thank you.